Hey, stop eating it! It's for candy! Neon time!
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Neon Time. And today, I am so excited because we have this new studio set up. This black background, and that lighting over there, and that lighting over there, and that lighting over there, and this lighting over here, and every lighting. I'm so excited. But today, the main point is that we're gonna be making strawberry banana ice cream for dogs, which is specifically for my dog, Candy, but it can be for any dogs. But first, some fun facts. Dogs can't eat normal human ice cream because their bodies are not designed to digest milk. Second, ice cream is loaded with sugar, and if you feed your dog sugar, it might have health problems. Finally, some flavors like chocolate is toxic to dogs. Now let's make ice cream delicious and fun for your doogies. First, for the ingredients. You're gonna need 10 fresh strawberries, 1 medium ripe banana, like non-fat yogurt, which is 1 cup. We're gonna measure that later. And now for the tools. First, we're gonna need a spatula, then a 1 cup measuring cup. After that, a spoon, a knife, a cutting board, potato masher, a bowl to work with, and an airtight container. Let's get cooking. So first, we're gonna cut our strawberries. We're gonna cut them into tiny pieces so that later on we're gonna mash them. Then we're gonna cut our banana into small pieces. We're gonna use this potato masher and mash all of these ingredients up. You're gonna mush them all together until this looks like a paste. Now we're gonna measure 1 cup of yogurt. Now let's mix it up. We're gonna mix it to this consistency. I think Candy's gonna like this. We're gonna pour this mixture into this airtight container. You can freeze it for 4 hours, but I'm gonna freeze it overnight. See you tomorrow. Ooh, look how much hair you have, you little stinky Candy.
Stinky.
So the ice cream's ready. Let's go get some for Candy. can keep the ice cream in the freezer for 8 weeks. You can also make different flavors like strawberry, blueberry. Comment down below what your favorite flavor is. Finally, have fun with your dog's treat. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified when we upload, and see you next time. Bye!
Stop eating it! No, stop eating it.
We're gonna pour this mixture into this airtight container.
God.
You take some B-roll of her doing that.
Hey! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Stop!
Neon time.